Hello, Hornets. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and I am in and out of the building in meetings today, but I wanted to go through with you what I expect to be completed by the end of class. So here we go. First, you're going to go into your Genius Hour folder. And you're probably watching this right now, which is me giving you the instructions for today. Once the video is complete, I do need you to list the tasks that I describe in this video in Submit Assignment. That way I know you have watched this video. Second, yes, would you forget? Hello, Hornets. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and if you are watching this video, you are already in the Genius Hour folder, as you should be, and you are watching the assignment video instructions for November 5th, 2019. When you finish this video, I do need you to go into Submit Assignment and list for me all the tasks that I expect you to finish today. Okay, I do need you to go in and submit that. That is task number 1. Task number 2 is to go to Play, Pause It. It's the next assignment under the video instructions, and I need you to create an account, and I give you specific directions right here how to do that, what your username should be, what your password should be. I give you completely clear directions, so that's what I expect. Once you get onto Play Pause It, you will see a folder called English 9. You click it and there is only one video there, and it is called A Quick Guide to Plagiarism, and it'll look just like this. Okay, that's in the English 9 class. So you click this right here, and when you play it, it will stop the video every so often and have you answer questions. You cannot skip any of those questions. You must answer all questions. Okay, that is assignment number 2. Let's go down to the next one. It's not a long video. It's only about 7 minutes long. The next assignment you're going to have some fun with. It's called Hey Mr. DJ. This is one of my students' favorite assignments every year. And it is talking about plagiarism. Okay, I'm asking you to use the sites down here and others you may find to figure out what the difference is between a sample, a remix, and a cover. Okay, sample, remix, and a cover. And then once you figure out what those 3 things are, I need you to write 3 paragraphs. In each paragraph, you're going to define the term. Write a paragraph that defines what a sample is. Okay. Then you explain which type of plagiarism a sample is based on the video that you watched earlier today. And then you find a song that you know that uses a sample, and you tell me what song that is and what it samples. Okay. You do the same thing for a remix in paragraph 2. Same thing for a cover in paragraph 3. Yes, I mean 3 paragraphs. What I did below here was give you some examples of each. This first one, you may have seen the show Moesha or some other show. Her name is Brandy. She released this song in 1994, and she was about your age when she released the original song. And the original one is here for you. Okay, this is the original one. You'll see that, and you can play it. Don't play it out loud, too loud for the sub, okay? But then what happened about 4 months later, and this was a trend in the 90s, they re-released the song, but in a different version. And once you look in your links up here and see what the purpose of a remix is, you'll get it. But this is the same song, but it's the hip-hop remix version. which was for a completely different audience. So you'll be able to watch both of these and see the difference between a remix and the original. Here is a cover for you. I know you've seen these on social media, but that actually is a cover. And then this video lists some songs that you probably did not know were samples, okay? That's just for you to be able to write me a good set of 3 paragraphs and have a little fun. Also, here is the rubric. This is what I'm expecting in my paragraphs, okay? Let's do the last one so I can make sure that you understand everything that I expect today. Third one is called Blurred Lines. You may know the song, but there have been several lawsuits, and this assignment explains 2 of the songs for you that have been in lawsuits with plagiarism, and then I ask you to respond in the discussion board. I need you to begin your post this way, and then I do need you to reply to others using these. Okay, those are all the assignments that are due today, and they are all due at the end of class. There are no excuses. Have a good day, Hornets, and I'll see you when I get back.